Tea tree oil is not simply useful for the skin area but also has various benefits for the hair. When applied on hair, tea tree oil gives you multiple benefits by preventing hair loss and stimulating hair growth to get rid of dandruff, oily greasy hair and various other scalp infections. Tea tree oil is antiseptic in properties and is suggested as a bactericide and as well fungicide. That is the reason why this effective oil is utilized in any kind of shampoo manufactured for hair complications. The antiseptic properties of this essential oil make it able to deal with skin infections and irritations on the scalp. It soothes the skin of the scalp, making it able to develop a new and healthy hair. Here are some positive aspects of tea tree oil that you can expect from the application of tea tree oil on your hair. 1. Tea tree oil treatment for hair loss. Tea tree oil can be very easily used to prevent hair loss and premature hair fall. To do this, you can get started with tea tree oil directly on your hair or mix a few drops with other good carrier oils, many of these as argan oil or castor oil. Apply this 3 times a week, and you will see a significant reduction in hair loss after only few weeks. 2. Tea tree oil for hair growth. Tea tree oil not only treatment for hair loss but also tea tree oil will help hair growth. When you massage your scalp, it improves blood circulation and opens the clogged skin pores that have slowed down the growth of your hair. Its antiseptic properties clean the pores of the scalp, which promotes hair growth. To use it for hair growth, mix the tea tree oil with olive or coconut oil. It nourishes hair roots and helps induce hair growth. 3. Tea tree oil dandruff shampoo. The essential benefits of tea tree oil for hair is its effectiveness to cure dandruff very efficiently. For this, it is used in various high-quality brand anti-dandruff shampoos all over the world. The leading causes of dandruff are fungal infections on the scalp that reason the formation of dandruff. Tea tree oil treats fungus and yeast microbe infections that promote the path for dandruff-free hair. The simple and easy way to use tea tree oil for dandruff is to utilize with any branded hair shampoo that includes tea tree oil. Otherwise, put 10 to 12 drops of tea tree oil in the routine product of your shampoo and then continue applying it as you normally perform. 4. Tea tree oil for dry scalp as treatment. If you have got dry scalp, then tea tree oil may be the possible treatment for your dry scalp. Just mix a few drops of tea tree oil with carrier oils such as almond oil or jojoba oil. Massage your scalp thoroughly with this combination for 15 to 20 minutes and then leave it for a couple of hours. It nourishes your scalp and will clear all blockages. 5. Tea tree oil lice treatment. Lice are very irritating and cause many other complications. It is essential to remove them as soon as possible. You can use tea tree oil to kill lice and their ovum. Mix 8 drops of tea tree oil to the mild shampoo and massage the scalp with this for 15 minutes. Wash it out, and now apply tea tree oil directly on your scalp. After that, add a few drops of tea tree oil to the hair shampoo again and re-wash it. Now add a couple of drops to a jug full of water and immerse the comb or brush in it. Comb the hair with this. This way you will kill all lice and ovum and avoid lice breakouts. Therefore, the use of tea tree oil is beneficial for hair. You can buy it very easily in the marketplace. The direct use of tea tree oil in the hair and scalp can cause some side effects, so it is beneficial to use it with other carrier oils as suggested above.